Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just received a package of art goodies and I'm super excited to share with you what's in it. I've never used this brand before and I'm thrilled to give it a try and share my opinion with you. Thanks to Ohuhu brand for sending me these art things to check out. I've got alcohol-based brush markers, a sketchbook, gel pens, and a set of Fineliners. Let's have some artsy fun and I'll tell you what I really think about them. Let's get started with this box. Wow, this is a very thick sketchbook. This Ohuhu sketchbook is made especially for alcohol-based markers. It is 8 by 8 inches and the paper is heavyweight. It claims to have a maximum blendability, and I also hope that the ink will not bleed through these pages. Let's now take a look inside. There is a plastic insert piece that you can slide between pages to keep the marker ink from bleeding through. I love that. That is very useful. The paper is quite thick and smooth. And there are 60 pages in total, which will let you create 60 drawings. Wow, it's gonna take me ages to fill this sketchbook. As you can see, each page also has pre-made tearing marks. I think it's very useful if you want to hang up your drawing on the wall or sell the original art. Even though this format is quite large for me, I'm used to A5 and A6 paper formats. I really can't wait to draw my first art in this sketchbook. If you have any ideas on what I should draw in here, let me know in the comments. Now let's take a look at the Fineliners. These pens are perfect for detailed line work and outlining your art. The size of each pen is mentioned on its cap and also on the barrel, which is great for easy identification. The sizes ranging from 0.05, super thin, all the way to 1, which is pretty thick. Plus, it includes a brush pen, which I think I'll be using a lot. Let's put them to the test and see how they behave on Ohuhu paper. I really like the comfortable grip of the pen barrel. Here they all are, and the variety in sizes is fantastic. The ink flows smoothly and dries quickly. I'll be trying them out later with markers. I'll definitely share how they work together. According to the brand, they are water-based, so they should pair well with markers. And the best part, they're non-toxic and also fade-proof. Next, we've got a set of gel pens. There are gold, silver, and white. I don't really use gold and silver colors, but I definitely use a lot of white, and it will be nice to try a new brand. So there are 12 pens in the set, 3 gold, 3 silver, and 6 white pens. They're all the same size, 0.8 millimeters. And this is what the pen looks like. Let me give them a try and show you how they look on the black paper. The ink runs smoothly, and the gold and silver colors are very metallic and shiny. All 3 colors are highly opaque. As you can see, they result very well on dark paper. This is very important for me when working on details and highlights. I need white gel pen to be able to cover markers application. I plan to test these pens with markers as well to see if they pick up any colors and how well they work on top of the markers. And I saved the best for the last. Here's the set of 48 Ohuhu brush markers. They come in this black case, which I think is very useful for storing your markers. And inside we got 2 swatch cards for 48 colors, which we are going to fill out today. There is also a plastic insert piece to use for your sketchbook. And this format is different from what we got in the sketchbook. That one was squared, and this one I think will fit in an A5 sketchbook. That's very handy. There is also a brochure with information about the brand and all the markers Ohuhu has. So this is the marker, and the barrel is round, making it very comfortable to hold. Both colored tops have the name of the color. The marker has 2 nibs, one chisel nib and the other side is a brush, indicated by this gray line, making the nibs easy to identify. Now let's give it a little try and swatch all 48 colors. Actually, this set consists of 49 markers. It is very generous of Ohuhu to include colorless blender marker into this set. These swatch cards will be extremely useful for me because I can't start drawing without actually seeing the real color on the paper. I never trust the colors on the cap. They often don't match with the color of ink. So it's really important to swatch the markers before you even start coloring your art. Plus, as I live in a sunny Thailand, the colors on the caps tend to fade due to the very strong sunshine. I also recommend swatching your markers on the paper you will be using for your drawings, because markers behave differently on various types of paper. Certain colors might appear much brighter or duller on specific paper types. So if you are particular about the colors you're using, I advise to swatch the markers on the paper you'll be coloring on before you start drawing. The brush nib feels quite different from what I'm used to. I'm unsure about how these nibs will behave, and I hope they will last for a while. According to this guide, when they get worn out, you can pull out the nib, turn it around, and you will have a fresh new brush. That's pretty cool, right? And that is the complete set of 48 markers, all swatched out. I don't like how the colors are organized on these swatch cards. Let me arrange them my way. Much better. And see, that is what I was talking about. The colors on the swatch card are more intense than on the Ohuhu paper. That's why it's important to swatch on the paper you are actually drawing on. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what I should draw with this set of markers. See you in the next video.